Hi, my name is Nicola Brown. I've been a patient now of Dr. Forman's for about 5 to 6 weeks. When I first came in here, I was suffering from very low energy. I had problems with my thyroid, weight gain, brain fog, hair loss, dry skin, and started his program immediately. I am now in my 5th week and I'm feeling almost 100% better. I cannot thank him enough. I'm so grateful. My energy level is way better. My skin is better. My thyroid is under control. I'm almost off my medication and feeling back to my normal self. I sleep well and I'm actually losing weight, so I've gained muscle and just feel overall 100% better, and I'm so grateful to the doctor. So I hope if you're thinking of coming here that you will take Dr. Forman very seriously, because I am very, very happy with the results.